I don't even know where to fucking begin. This is my journey to getting unstuck. I mean, what can I say? Me doing a visual diary of trying to get back to me, get back to myself, tap back into creativity, and figure out what this next chapter of my life looks like. I don't know how many of you are new here, but grief is a bitch. She's very subtle, she's very sneaky, and she can literally wreak havoc on your whole universe, and you not even know it. The last couple of years have not been pretty for me. I have seen a lot of heartbreak, I have seen a lot of disappointment, and I have seen a lot of loss in the form of family, in the form of love, loss in the form of relationships, and friendships as well. And it has taken its toll on your girl, okay? And I'm determined to figure out how to get back to the core of who I am. And this is gonna be my process. I just want to take you guys on this journey with me, partially for accountability for myself and so that I can track and see how far I've come. But let me preface this by saying, please be gentle with me, but also know I'm a cuss girl, okay? And I will gather your ass. I'm not above reading someone for filth in the comments, so please govern yourselves accordingly in this safe space that I'm trying to create, okay? Chapter 1, who the fuck is Kiana?